No, don't need. Sorry, students. Do one thing. Today I'll go through the recording. Tomorrow you'll attend. Tomorrow you'll attend at the same time. I'll teach you all. Today you'll go through the recording. I'll remove you all from the meeting. Okay, you tell me, Andrea. Did you understand this or no? What is sector? Okay, it is a part of a sector is a part of a circle. It is made up of what? Two radius and one arc, right? Yeah, two radius and one arc. Which is the arc here? AC up to A, and from A to C is the arc. So this part we call it as sector. A sector is made up of radius and arc. And in sector we have two types: minor sector and this is minor sector. The remaining part, what do you call? Major sector. Next, segment. Next concept is segment. Look, a segment is nothing but, if I draw a line like this, what do you call this line? What do you call this line? Very good, chord. Exactly. This is known as chord. So this area, what do you call this one? No, entire thing is circumference. I'm just asking one part of it. No, not radius. How can it be radius? Radius inside. I will give it all the names here. Look at the names and tell me. Just a part of circumference, what do you call? Just a part of circumference. Yes, arc. This is AB is arc, right? Okay, outer is arc, and what is the inner one we have drawn? Chord. So this part, this put together, we call it as segment. What do you call? Segment. So a sector at what, Andrea? Yes, radius plus arc will give you sector. What is segment? A segment is chord plus, that's it. For this, nobody, when I was talking, asking questions, did you hear me asking questions? And what's the problem with other students? Nobody were replying. Yeah, make a note of this, Andrea. Segment. Even in this, we have two types. Which is smaller segment here? The green one, the lower one is the smaller, right? So we call this a smaller segment or the minor segment. We don't call smaller, we call it as minor segment. And this one is we call the major segment. Look at the pink one, this part. This entire thing, what do you call? Major segment. So sector and segment is done. I mean the sector, segment, right? Next. Sector is done. Segment. Secant. The next concept is secant. If I draw a line like this and I draw a line, see, from this point to this point, what do you call? If I draw a line like this, 1 minute. Yeah, if I draw a line like this, what do you call this line? Very good, chord. If I extend this outside, can you see one part is inside the circle and the other part is outside? We call this as sector. Secant. What do you call? Secant. Like this, like this. All these are secant. Look at this. D, C, E, F. In this, which part of the line is inside the circle? Yeah. So DC is called what? DC is chord. DC is chord, but the entire line. What about entire line? EDCF? Not segment. Secant. Secant. Because it is coming out, right? One part is coming out. So EDCF is secant. Even this is a secant. P, Q. Up to P and Q, they are inside. It is a chord. PQR. Look at the line PQR. This is a secant. So sector is done, segment is done, secant is done. Next we have tangent. Mute the call, Andrea. Next, tangent. Last part is tangent. See, a tangent will never be inside the circle. A tangent lies always outside the circle. If I draw a circle and this line, you call it as tangent. What do you call this line? Tangent. A, B. The tangent, I'll take it as T. T for tangent. It will just touch at a single point. Can you see only a single point is being touched? This entire ATB is a tangent, Andrea. Now if I draw another tangent, this is a tangent. This is a tangent. Can you see all the tangent? How many points is it touching? It's touching only one. And it will never enter inside the circle. Or tangent will never enter inside the circle. It is always drawn on the circumference. Okay, this is known as tangent. Any doubt in this? Arc, radius, diameter, circumference. Okay, once again, I'll just quickly tell what is arc, Andrea. First, let me draw a circle. Yes, what is arc in this? Yes, what do you mean by arc? Yes, it is a part of circle. Circumference, right? It is just one part of circumference. Can you see the red line? This is the arc AB. Next, what is radius? Radius is a line which joins from the center to the circumference. Then what is diameter? Chord, or two radius put together, we call it as diameter. Can you see? The diameter should always pass through the center. Okay, all these are diameter. Now, whichever doesn't pass through the center, but if it touches the circumference, what do you call these lines? Very good. These are known as chord. So arc is done, radius, diameter, circumference is the outer boundary. Chord is done. What is sector? Yes. In sector, can you see the last word R? Is this concept difficult to understand? Why these students were not responding, I don't know. Okay, in this entire circle, let me draw a chord. From center, one chord, and this is another chord. What is the example I gave for sector? Yes, a slice of pizza. If you cut and remove this becomes minor sector, right? It is made up of two chord. If you want, you can write. In sector, we have R, which means two radius and how many arc? Two radius plus one arc. Next, what is segment? Very good. Arc. How many chord? No, no, one chord, one chord. Hmm. Yes, AB, one chord, and this entire space inside we call it as what? Segment. So sector will have radius, segment will not have radius, it will have a chord. Next, secant. What is secant? Not outer. The same chord. Yeah, very good. The same chord, if it extends outside this entire length, what do you call? Call it as secant. All the lines whichever extend outside, we call it as secant. Okay, all these are secant. Here, next tangent outside. And how many point touches? Only one point. A tangent is the line outside, it touches only one point on the circumference. This is a tangent. Okay, and this one is a tangent. The pink one is a tangent. Next, the green one. This green line is a tangent. All these are known as tangents. Fine. Okay, so what's the time? 7:20. Take 10 minutes break. Up to 5 o'clock I'll conduct. Oh, sorry, 6 o'clock. Okay, next half an hour we'll do the questions. Yeah, after break we'll continue. Okay, Andrea, shall we continue? You have compass with you? We need to start construction. Okay, what is given here? Take a point O on your notebook and draw a circle of radii. How many radii are given total? 3.6, 5 points. Each having same center or different center? Same center. So 3.6, 4.5. Look here, I'll tell you how to solve. In scale, take 3.5. How many? What's the first thing? Yeah, 3 point. In compass, you have to take how many centimeters? Yeah, take 3.5. Look here. Once you take 3.5, draw a circle. Are we getting a circle here? The next, tell me the next one, next measurement. No, not 3.5. What was it given? 3.5 or 3.6? Do you have textbook with you? Yeah, 3.6. Take 3.6, Andre. Take 3.6, draw a circle. After that, next, what is the next value given? 4 point? Yes. Take 4.5 in the scale. Use the same center. Can you see the same center? Draw the red one. Yes, Andre, done?
Yes, sir.
Next, what is the next one given? 5 point?
5.3.
Yeah, take 5.3. That's it. First question is done. This is how we draw. Using the same center, how many triangle circles we drew?
3.
Yeah, we drew 3 circles. Then write the measurement. Just connect a line from here to here, this point to this point. Then from here to the one. Can you see that one?
Yes, sir.
And okay, let me use the same color, red. You can draw a line like this. Next, from the center, draw a blue line like this. So there are 3 radius. This indicates 3 radius. And name the radius. 3.6. O stands for center, 4.5 centimeter. 5.37. Yes, this is how you draw the radius. Complete this diagram with the next one.
Sir, we shouldn't write centimeter
You
inside
have to write
the
centimeters. You have to write centimeters there.
Okay.
3.6 centimeters, 4.5, and 5.3 centimeters. Completed?
Yes, sir.
Okay, next one. What is given, Andrea? What's the next question?
Draw a circle with center C
Okay.
and the radius is 4.2 centimeter. Mark point PQR such that P lies in the interior of the
Interior.
circle.
Q lies on the circle, R lies exterior.
Exterior
So
of
look here, let me take a radius and draw this. And you get a circle, right? Interior meaning, do you know what's the meaning of interior? Interior
the
means,
inside
very good. Inside of the circle, we call it as interior.
interior.
So what is the point you have to plot inside? Point P. You can plot anywhere. You can plot a random point P here, P here, P anywhere. You can plot anywhere, but it should be inside the circle. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Any one P. Let me keep anywhere. You can draw anywhere wherever you want. I'll keep P here. Next. What about Q?
On the circle.
So let me take wherever this radius ends, you can draw on the circle dot. Can you see a dot?
Yes, sir.
R can be outside anywhere. You can draw R here. You can draw close to the circle, or you can draw left hand side. Can you see all the R's?
Yes, sir.
Exterior. This is how we draw. So you have to take 4.2 centimeters. Take 4.2 centimeters. Four point two centimeters radius. Cut. Draw a circle. Right? We have to show the radius. So the red line is the radius. Red line is the radius. Then what are the names they have given? C, right? What is center? Center is
P.
C. Right, the same thing here. For in center, you write it as C. P lies inside. You can just write a point. Keep a point and write P. R lies outside. R you can take it somewhere here. R. Q lies on the point. Just draw a point. Name it as Q. This is the answer.
Sir.
Oh. Shall we try the third question?
Yes, sir.
Look at the third one. And draw a circle with center. What is the center?
O.
Oh, what is the radius? You should take a 4.5 centimeters and you have to draw like this, right? Circle. Sorry, we
Yes.
need to draw a circle. Next.
Okay.
Then what is given? Draw a chord of.
Draw a chord.
This is what I was explaining previously. Now we need to draw a chord. What is a chord? A chord is basically a line which touches both the sides of the circumference, right?
Circle.
And what is the length of the chord?
5.4 centimeters.
5.4. You can draw chord here. Take scale. Keep your scale. You can draw a chord here. 5.4. And what's the chord you have to name it as? A?
X and Y.
No. Draw a chord
By marking point
AB. Not that. Draw a chord. What AB? What is the chord's name? AB.
AB.
Chord is just a line. What is the length of this? 5.4.
5.4.
You can draw a chord like this. Even this is a chord. 5.4. Right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you can draw it anywhere. You can draw it anywhere this way. You can draw it as a chord. Next. Let me draw a red line. This is a chord. And I have taken a chord. What should be the distance value? 4
A
point?
and B.
Ah, no, 5.4.
5.4.
5.4. After that, what is to do? Indicate by marking points.
X and Y.
X. If chord is given, is it a segment or sector? If chord is given.
It's a segment.
Very good. Segment. Can you see this segment here?
Yes, sir.
This is a smaller segment, the green line. So what they have asked us to plot X and Y, the minor segment, AXB, which is minor segment, top or down, which is small, top. So here you have to mark what? X. Which is major
X.
segment? The other part is known as major
Yeah.
segment, right? So you have to mark Y down. That's it. This is the concept. Understood? Read
Yes,
the
sir.
question. Look here. Read the second line. The minor arc ACB. Isn't it ACB small arc? Sorry, AXB.
Yes.
And the
AX.
yes, what is major arc? Major is the bigger arc. Which is the remaining arc we have? Can you see the pink one?
A, Y, and B.
Yes, from A to Y, Y to B. That's the reason I kept a point at Y. That is what they have told. The major arc AYB on the circle, shade the major segment of the circle. Which is major segment here?
Major is A, Y, and
YB.
B.
So if they ask us to shade, you have to shade this entire thing. Can you see this blue color which I'm shading?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, this is how we shade it. Light green. Shade it like this. This is known as major segment. It's completed. Construct first an arc. You know how to draw an arc, right? 4.5.
Yes, sir.
Okay, take 4.5. Cut an arc. Only if you know the meaning. This one, Andrea. Only if you know the definition of arc, chord, then only you'll be able to solve this, right?
Yes, sir.
Without that, you'll get confused. You won't know what is chord, arc, segment, sector. So, what are the three things we studied that they have given in the question? What are the three things we studied? Chord. Next.
Chord, segment,
Yes. Look at the question. Chord. Next.
segment,
Then
arc.
arc. These are the three things, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. The pink one is the major arc. Green one is the minor arc.
Minor arc.
Inside whatever is present, look at the inside one. This entire yellow which I'm going to shade. The yellow one is known as segment. Isn't it split by it? Isn't it divided by a chord AB?
Yes, sir.
So the entire thing is known as segment, and the green is known as major segment. Okay, completely. So four questions are done. We'll try the fifth. You know how to construct
Yes,
angles,
sir.
Andrea? Did ma'am teach angles?
Limit for work, sir.
Okay. Last. Okay. When did your in which standard you're at construction? Sixth or seventh?
Sixth, yeah, even seventh, yes.
Seven. So what about angle 60 degrees, 75 degrees? Do you know construction?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. See, construction, this fourth one, let others attend tomorrow. I'll teach you construction.
Okay,
Okay,
sir.
tomorrow if every
I
yeah,
won't be getting tomorrow, I guess, sir.
yeah, okay, tomorrow evening you can't attend,
From
right?
no, till this somebody coming to my house, sir. Some guests.
Fine, Andrea. Till 27,
Seven.
till Sunday. Okay, then again on Monday, right?
Yes, sir. I'm going through the recording, sir.
Fine, Andrea. Because tomorrow I'll be conducting one class, then again Friday. By Friday, I have to finish this chapter. Okay.
I'll go
I'll
through the
upload. Yes, I'll
recordings in
upload the
Monday.
record. Fine, I'll upload the recording. Saturday, mostly I'll conduct a test on this. Then you attend from Monday.
Yes, sir.
Fine. The fourth question, let everyone attend tomorrow. I'll do that. Look at the fifth question. Fifth mail. Every circle has a unique center. So now the question, MCQ questions. Not MCQ. What is this? State true or false?
True or false?
Yes, true or false. Every circle has a unique center. Now I'll take two circles, this and this. Do you think the center is same?
Yes, sir.
How come same? One center is here. For this circle, the center is here. Are they lying in the same point?
No, sir.
No. So every circle has a unique center. Is it true or false? It
It's
is
false.
not false. It is true.
No, it's true.
Unique meaning is different. What is the meaning of unique? Unique is different.
They are different.
Okay. For both these circles, do they have same center or different center?
Different center.
That is the meaning of unique. So is it true or false?
It's true.
Yes, first one is true. Read the next one. Every radius of a circle.
Each base of a circle is also a chord of the circle.
Is radius called a chord?
No, sir.
No. What is called a chord?
No, sir.
No. What is known as chord? What is also known as chord? Diameter is
It's
chord.
the
Largest chord. Very good. So, correct. What is chord, Andrea? What do you mean by chord? It should touch only one point or both the points? Both the circumference. What about radius? Is it touching both the circumference?
No, sir.
No. Therefore, is this true or false?
False.
Very good. This is false. Next.
Every circle has a unique diameter.
Every circle has a unique diameter. See, the answer for this is false. The reason is a circle will have how many diameters? One or many?
One.
No, it can have many. Look at. Isn't this a diameter?
Yes, sir.
From the same center, if I draw this, what about this?
Even the C and D.
Diameter. What about this?
Yes, sir.
E?
Even that's the diameter.
Unique meaning is what? Same or different? Unique is
Different.
every circle has a same. The question here is every circle has a unique diameter. So this is not unique. Does it have only one diameter or many diameters? Many diameter. Therefore, this is false. But look at the first question. Every circle has a unique center. How many center does a circle have? How many center it has? It has only one center, right? One middle point. One center. It has only one point. Correct?
Yes, sir.
That's the reason first one was true, Andrea. But second one, does a circle have one chord or one diameter or many diameter?
Many diameters.
Many diameter. So it is not unique. This is false.
False.
Every circle has different diameters. The answer is different, not unique. Unique is same. So it has different types of diameter. Next. Without the diagram, you can't understand. Yeah, you won't be able to understand. Read the next one. What is given?
A line can meet a circle at the most at 2 points.
2 points. This is a circle. Let me draw a line. If I draw a line like this, or let me draw a line like this. Let me draw another line like this. All this, what is given? A line can meet a circle at the most 2 points. Most meaning is maximum. Okay, most is maximum. Look at the first line A to B. What are the 2 points it is touching? Can you see the 2 points C and D?
Yes, sir.
Okay, if I take the next line A B C, is the entire 3 points touching the circle or only 2 points?
Only 2 points.
Only 2 points. Look at the third line where I've taken down. Total we have A, B, C and D. How many points do we have? Total?
2 points.
Out of 4 points, how many points are touching the circle?
2 points.
2
B
points.
and C.
Very good. B and C. So at most 2 points. Is it true or false?
It's true.
Very good. This is true. So only with the help of diagram you'll be able to understand. Right?
Yes.
Next. Is this clear? Shall we try that? Yeah, tell
Yes,
me.
sir. Circle consists of an infinite number of
Yes,
points.
what do you mean by infinite?
Uncountable.
Yes, uncountable. Many points. If I take a circle consists of infinite number of points. Can you see? How many points can we draw? One point or uncountable? Infinite.
Uncountable.
Yes,
It's true.
it is true. One more thing. Inside, outside, or on the circumference. Okay, if I draw circumference, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I draw a lot of points like this, Andrea. Lot of points. Can you see the points?
Yes, sir.
All the how many points are there? Uncountable or one point?
No,
Uncountable, infinite points. If I join all these points together, what am I getting?
uncountable.
Circle. Is it true or false?
It's true.
True. A circle consists of infinite number of points. It is true. Next, tell me secant. Read what is given there.
A secant of a circle is a segment at its end points on the circle.
Okay, first let us draw a circle. What is given here? A secant of a circle is a segment. What is segment? A segment will have a chord, right?
It will have chord and
Arc. And this is a secant, right? It is going outside.
yes, sir.
What is given here? A secant of a circle is a segment. Correct. It is a segment. Next,
Its end points on the circle.
fine. End points on the circle. Okay. What is a secant, Andrea? Is it a segment or just a chord? A secant
A
is
secant
is
is
just
a
a
chord.
chord. It's not a segment, right?
Yes, sir.
It's
It's
not a
chords.
segment. So this is wrong. A secant is just a chord or a line. Correct? We
Yes,
don't even
sir.
call it chord. Chord will lay only inside, right? It is only inside. A secant is a
Yes,
line. Instead of segment, they should have given line here. A secant is a line having its endpoints on the circle. What are the endpoints here? A and
C.
C. But does A and C lie on the endpoints?
No, sir.
No, right? C is outside.
Yes, sir.
So therefore, this is false. Endpoint meaning a starting point is A, endpoint is C. What they have told here, having its endpoints on the circle. It doesn't have endpoints on the circle.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and one more thing, it is not a segment, it is just a line. A secant is just a line. So the answer is false.
Yes.
Fine. Okay, we have a lot of questions. All this will solve tomorrow.
Yes,
Fine.
I'll go through the recording, sir.
Okay, fine, Andrea. One and only one lesson can be drawn to focus through a point. But all this I need to explain. Without the diagram, it's not possible. I'll explain this. I'll put it as circle part 2. Okay.
Okay, sir.
This class I'll put it as circle part 1. That one as part 2.
Okay, sir.
So tomorrow you
So
can.
that I'll just send the text. I won't be attending.
Fine, Andrea. You revise this chapter. Saturday I'll send the paper.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and make sure you go through the recording.
Yes, sir.
If possible, you can attend. Only tomorrow I'll be conducting. I'll be giving holiday 25th for Christmas. At okay,
Yes.
fine. Tomorrow, no, 1 minute. Tomorrow I plan to conduct in the morning. Morning is it possible? 11 to 12
They are coming tonight, sir.
today night. Okay, fine, Andrea. You can attend. You can join from Monday then.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so Merry Christmas. Celebrate well and then on Monday.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine.
Thank you, sir.
Fine, Andrea. You can leave.
Bye, sir.
Yes, bye.